Shubhodaya. Good morning all. The Annamaya Kosha is the outermost sheath. The physical body, gross body, Annamaya Kosha is made up of earth and water elements. Earth and water element, it gives the strength to the, it protects the inner being. This is the outer. Without the packaging, you cannot store the content. You have to preserve the content through enabling the physical body, keep the packaging healthy. In scriptures talk about Sharira Madhyam Kalu Dharma Sadhanam. When you, through the physical body alone, you can do all the dharmas, whatever you want to do in your life. Without health, you can't do. You need to preserve the health, and when you are having a health, then invest on the health. Not to wait after now the time to make money. When I retire, when I am old, when I am falling sick, I will invest on the health. That is what most are doing. And when you are having a health, try to preserve that one, and so that you can enrich, you have time to enrich your inner content. This Annamaya Kosha, Anna means through the body you can do great things in your life. You can add value to the community, value to the society, you can serve the Lord. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyatanna sambhavah. Yajnat bhavati parjanyo yajna karma samudbhavah. It is talking about through the Annamaya Kosha, you can, through the doing the great things, the community is getting nourished. When you do the great things, community gets nourished. That is a yajna. The more and more good things come to you when you start investing time onto yourself. Through this one, accomplish great things, you enrich the community. Community prospers. That is the yajna. And through the yajna, that is the karma yoga. The collective worship, it is called as yajna. That is possible through the Annamaya Kosha. Through the Annamaya Kosha, you can do this one. The centerpiece of this Annamaya Kosha, what is the centerpiece of this Annamaya Kosha is called as your heart, cardiology. Cardiology, this is Annamaya Kosha, physiology. The centerpiece of physiology is cardiology. You have to look after, we say we are working so hard, Heart teaches us how to work and how to take rest. We are so busy working, heart is telling us how to work. The systole and the diastole, for that in the systole time, the heart contracts, it takes about 0.3 of a second, and expansion, diastole, it takes about 0.5 of a second. In a healthy heart, it takes about per contraction and expansion, it takes about 0.8 of a second. It comes to about 75 beats a minute. That is how heart is working. Heart, how it is, we have in the body, 2 hands are there, 2 eyes are there, 2 ears are there, 2 legs are there. There is 2 kidneys are there. There is a backup is there. But heart is only one. Heart, it shows it's important. It is a centerpiece. A heart is a center one. There is no option. It is only one. There are other options are there, but cardiology, heart is only one. There is no option. The heart is the centerpiece. And the heart works incessantly, and the eyes takes rest when we sleep, ears rest, our tongue has rest, we take rest for the legs, hands, but heart, if it takes the long rest, we won't come back. Heart despite working so incessantly, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, times as long as we live, this heart is working. Heart is telling, work like me. I am working incessantly, but how I am working in the diastole time, it learns to relax. It relax, takes though it is appear to be working, and it is relaxing. Karmanya akarmaya pashyed akarmani cha karmaya. In the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna tells us how you have to work. Though you are working, you are not working. Though you are not working, you are doing everything. Learn to work that way. Like heart, though it is working, it knows how to relax. The karmanya, you are working, still you are relaxing. You are relaxing, still you are working. That is talking about the how to look after, manage your cardiology, learn from the heart. Learn from the heart message. It is talking about when in the diastole time, when the diastole is happening, it is in the systole, it pumps out the blood to the whole body. Pumps out the blood to the whole body. When it is pumping, heart is telling, when you want to give the best. Give the best oxygenated blood you are giving. When you are giving, not to give the ordinary things. For the sake of giving, you are not giving. You are giving the best you are giving. That is the systole is telling, you have to give, but not to give the wretched thing, the oxygenated blood you give. Diastole, when it is receiving all the impurities. It is in the life, your people are throwing all the impurities at you, like heart. Heart is saying, I am willing to receive all the negativities. It is receiving the impure thing, impure blood it receives, and it through the sadhana, it converts the impurity into positive. How to survive in the world? So much of negativities, everywhere negative things are there. How to convert like a treatment plant? The sewage goes and it is converted into primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment, and it fit for it is reuse. You have to do the sadhana. Without sadhana, you are only accumulating the impure things. You are not pumping out. You are not able to give out the good things. Only you are absorbing. Learn from the heart. Purify, do the sadhana. Give out the best. I am receiving, everyone is giving negative, everyone is giving the wrong things. I will also give the wrong things, it won't work. Heart says, give out your best. Keep on giving. As long as you live, heart is saying, I am continuously working. As long as you live, you have to give. You have no option. When I do not give, what happens? Blockages. There is one blockage here, one blockage, and heart attack. Why heart attack is happening? I am not willing to give. Even if I give, only wretched things I am giving. That is the cardiac problem they were talking about. If you want to overcome the heart problem, be generous. Give your time. Always think about what can I do for others. Those who are always giving, they do not get the cardiac problem. Only accumulator. I want that one. I want more. The heart problem. Heart is telling. You have to keep on. Sukha dukkhe same kritva labha labho jaya jayo. Tasmat yogaya yujyasva naivam papam avapsyasi. Sri Krishna talks about when you fight the battle of your life by I want to give, I want to do the sadhana and give. Sri Krishna says naivam papam avapsyasi. For the heart means you won't get any cardiac problem. There is no blockages. Blood starts flowing well. Flowing well, naivam papam avapsyasi. Heart is talking about. Heart is the message from the heart. Heartful message. Message, heart is conveying. I'm working incessantly. I don't take any break. Still I know how to take rest. I know how to take rest. The art of living. Art of heart working. Heartful message. Keep on. Never leave for your life. Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita talks about, I allowed you to occupy this space. You have no right to occupy. I gave you an opportunity. So, fulfill the obligation, live for others. When you start living for others, though heart is only one, hands two, eyes two, kidneys two, only one, you can have a long innings. Successful innings, if you want to work like a heart. That is a message from the heart. For the heart is good, brain is good, thinking is good. All your functions work through the look after your heart. Learn from the message of heart. That is what Annamaya Kosha is talking about.